What's up, YouTube? My name is Chad, and this is the Wisco Boater channel. And I've got my catamaran hulls, the Hobie Cat hulls, back in the garage. My plans have changed a little bit on how I wanted to store this thing over the winter. I was gonna just keep the hulls in the backyard, bring them in, work on them, put them in the backyard, kind of go back and forth. But that just sounds like too much work to me. So I went to Menards and purchased 8 all metal sawhorse stands. These are short ones. I didn't want to buy a kit and then build like some tall stands because the hulls are about 18 inches tall. So I wanted something fairly short and easily movable. So I'm going to build 4 sawhorses using the 8 sawhorse stands there. And then I'm going to set the hull on each between the sawhorses and then brace them in an upright position so that I can start working on the fiberglass repairs, cleaning them up. You can see they're dirty, like over that area that's kind of mossy, moldy stuff, mildew kind of stuff. So I'm gonna clean all those off. I also do wanna make sure I have all the water out of the hulls, and then I'll work on polishing them up. And I should be able to get the spacing correct in here and still allow Brittany's vehicle to be in here over the winter. Unfortunately, my car is gonna have to sit outside while I do this, but I work from home, so it's not really that big of a deal. It's not like I have to worry about scraping windows every morning to go to work. So the little baby Beamer over there is gonna sit outside for a little while until I get the hulls finished up, and then I can put the trampoline back on and then start to figure out how I want to mount a motor. I found a couple of motors that I think will work just fine. If they're still available in a couple weeks, I'll go ahead and buy one. Just a little 10 horse, 9.5, 10 horse motors is all I'm looking at for this. Get that mounted, and then I'll revisit the canopy later this winter. I like the canopy the way it was, using the tailgate canopy, but I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out in actual use. I might end up building a more permanent style canopy on it, but we'll cross that road when I get there. For now, it's time to start building these sawhorses. I'm just gonna build them like 2 feet wide. They're gonna be very narrow, and obviously I can reuse them and make them wider down the road after this project is done, but just little 2 foot wide sawhorses. I've got some 1x3 back here that I think I'll probably use, and then we'll get the hulls set up on the stands and get to work on them this week. Well, sometimes luck is on my side. It doesn't happen all that often in the Cadillac Boat Works garage here, but I happen to have 4 evenly cut pieces of 2x4. I don't know exactly how long they are. I'm guessing around 2 feet. But I just started digging around in my spare wood underneath the workbench there. And yeah, 4 of them, exactly the same length, exactly the size that I need. So now I'm gonna get these hulls up on the stands. I think I'll be able to do this by myself. I hope I can do this by myself, but we'll see how it goes here. All right, well, I'm gonna try this. I can't find my tripod. I think it's in Brittany's car. So I have my phone just sitting on one of the cabinets over here, balancing. We'll see if this works. Well, Brittany called while I was finishing this up, but I did get both hulls up on the sawhorses. Probably slide them in a little bit closer to each other so it's a little more sturdy. But that's probably all I'll do today. But I will build a 2x4 that comes up here, and another one on this side that comes up here that I will then stand the holes upright so I can work on them. But I just want to get them off the floor and get them prepped for working on these this week. Back to work on the hulls, or at least getting the hulls stood up, a way to get them stood up. I've got temporary clamps in place right now just on this side. This side is not supported currently, so I kind of have to be a little bit careful. But the weight is coming this way, so they shouldn't want to lean the other way. What I'm going to do is cut some 2x3s at 16 inches long, and then I'm going to screw those into the sawhorse right in here to give us a support there. Another one on that side, and then when that side's done, I'll come around and do the same thing on this side. So I'll get these cut and show you what it looks like when I'm done. All the wood is cut, and I've got whatever you want to call these, stanchions or posts, I guess, whatever you want to call them. Whoop, just ran into the trampoline. All 8 of them are in place, so the hulls now stand up. And now I can begin cleaning all this mossy stuff off. This isn't mold, it's just moss from sitting outside for so many years. So I don't think I'm gonna record the actual cleaning of this. I don't know, maybe I will, but it'll be in a different video if I do. My plan is to just scrape it off with a plastic scraper and then use some mildew remover that's designed for fiberglass. So, looks kind of nasty, but it's just moss. So that's where the holes will sit while I clean them up, and maybe do some fiberglass repair. Still got to do figure out what I'm going to do back here. I'm not using the rudders, I did decide that, so I might just flake this off, fill this in, pull these off. There's a special name for these, I don't remember what they're called, but I'll figure it out and just put it in the video right now on the bottom of the screen. So that hardware is going to come off and get it cleaned up, and then we'll get the trampoline put back on. So as always, thanks for watching this episode of the Wisco Boater channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and send me some comments if you'd like to, or ask some questions if you want to. If you want to be notified when I post new videos like this one, hit that little notification bell, and YouTube will tell you when I post new videos, usually on Thursdays. We'll see you next time on the Wisco Boater channel. Happy boating, everybody!